In the year 2009, the year that the world was introduced to Miss Lady Gaga, and we lost who many consider to be the greatest pop star of all time. What the hell am I talking about? In the year 2009, I made my first affiliate commission. That's the important news, okay? I made my first affiliate commission. Pardon my squeaky chair for a second. All right, I want to get in close, okay? I'm getting close with you. All right. Made my first affiliate commission for 26 bucks. Want to know how? I was actually floundering around. I didn't know how to make any money online, but I was committed to doing so. And so I stumbled upon the paid surveys thing, and they just so happened to have a little ebook in their members area, and little did I realize that it was an affiliate marketing book that taught me how to promote their product. So I followed their advice. I took their little affiliate link, I put it on a Web 2.0 site, and 2 or 3 days later, what do you know? 26 bucks. Had I not made that 26 bucks, there's a very good possibility that you and I would not be having this conversation right now. Hello, my name is Lee Murray. Welcome to Affiliate Psycho, and I am about to brag. But not just for my sake, and not just for my partner Declan Mack's sake, but for you, for your future self. Because guess what, my friend? You can do this. It ain't that hard. As a matter of fact, I still think that affiliate marketing is the best game in town. And anybody that tries to tell you that they've got something completely new and completely different, and it doesn't require any affiliate marketing, and that affiliate marketing is old and affiliate marketing is dead, run away. You don't need that shit. You don't want something new. That's scary. Something new and unproven is scary. All right? If you want something new, yeah, get affiliate marketing or get affiliate psycho, because we teach you a very new and improved innovation, a very innovative way to do affiliate marketing. But it's, make no mistake, it's still affiliate marketing, and that should excite you. That shouldn't turn you away. That should freaking excite you, because affiliate marketing will make you money. It will make you money. You just have to A, believe in yourself, and B, follow the right system. The right system, you ask? Well, let's see here. $1,836.61. This is mine. Some of these stats are Dex, by the way, and I'll share those with you as well, but I can speak on my own behalf for my own results, okay? 1836.61. Now, this is not in a single day. This is for a single campaign. How long does it take to run a campaign? 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 days. So we're looking at a maximum of 1,800 divided by 4. That's 400 and something a day. That's like doctor money, my friend. That's like doctor money, okay? 1326. That's for a campaign. Again, 2 to 3, maybe 4 days. 1,145 bucks. Same thing. Look at this. 1891.42 in a single day. That doesn't count because I was running more than one campaign concurrently. Not to say you couldn't, but that's not what we're teaching in Affiliate Psycho. I just thought it looked cool, okay? Look, here's some of Declan's stats right here. 464.30 in a day. Look at these. This is a good back-to-back, huh? 755, 916. Oh, that's sad. Only 267.80. Wouldn't that just bum you out if you made 267 bucks in a day? 459. Here's mine. 601. Here's mine. 1751. I mean, this is really, it's not just possible, it's commonplace. And you know what? I could tell you all day long, just raise your standards and you'll get there. But you don't just raise your standards. Your standards are in equal proportion to the evidence. It's in equal proportion to the results you're getting. So if you want to raise your standards, you got to raise your results, okay? So if you're making 0 right now, then you got to make $2 a day. You got to make $2 a day before you make 20, baby. You got to make 20 before you make 200. And you got to make 200 before you make almost 2,000. Is that how they do it? Yeah, like that. That's slick, huh? All right, so here's the deal. I love to coach. I love to share what I know. All right? My passion comes through in my courses, and this one is not only no different, but this one is even better. I'm more passionate about this than anything else because now I'm giving you the real truth. Not that I wasn't before, but I had a fear. I had a fear, and I'm being honest with you here, okay? I had a fear that I was going to create a sales letter and say, hey, everybody, here's some affiliate marketing shit. And they were going to be like, affiliate marketing, it's dead. Why did I do that again? That's weird. And I just, so I created innovative strategies that kind of, well, I wouldn't say they beat around the bush. They accomplish certain things, like breakfast in bed is not only the greatest traffic strategy that I've ever personally used, and I happen to be the creator of it, but that happens to be the traffic source that I'm teaching, with a variation that fits the situation. But I'm going off on a tangent here. Basically, what you're getting inside of Affiliate Psycho when you join me today is you are getting a snowball effect where you start from wherever you are now, and you do so happily, right? Because it doesn't matter. You don't need an email list. You don't need a reputation. You don't need any products. You don't need any SEO skills or copywriting skills. You don't need any of that crap. You don't need to have ever made a single penny online in your life. And you're going to go through my really easy 13-step process, and you're going to make a few pennies. You'll make a few pennies, all right, if you do what I say. And if you need a kick in the ass, that's what I'm here for. I'm a coach, and I coach for real, okay? But here's the thing. You'll make pennies going through it the first time. And by pennies, I mean maybe 20, 50 bucks. I mean, is that so bad, right, for a single campaign? All right, 2-3 days, 50 bucks, okay? Then you go through it again. And the next time you go through it, you will have built assets the first time. Just really easy asset. I mean, I teach you all this stuff inside the course. And yes, I have to be cryptic right now. I have to be cryptic for the sake of brevity. All right? But listen, you're going to go through it the first time, make a few. I can't make any income guarantees, obviously. But you'll make a few bucks. You go through it the second time, and you'll make more money because now, and you'll do it more quickly. And it'll be easier. But not just because now you've got the experience, which is huge, right? But now you got some tools, some real world tools at your disposal that you created, and they didn't take you long to create, but still, however much time they took you to create, you're going to save that much time the next time around. And then you go through those 13 steps again, and gets bigger and more exciting, more profitable, right? Now the next time you work, you can, order a pizza and grab a 6-pack of beer and pay for it with your affiliate commissions, right? So now you're having fun. Now you're partying while you're working, right? And when you do that, and I say that symbolically, obviously, okay? Maybe, I mean, if you like pizza and beer, go for it. But I'm saying, when you're in a good mood, you tend to do better work, okay? And what I want to do is I want to put you in a good mood. And how do we get a good mood? We get in a good mood by having higher standards for ourselves, first of all, because when you have higher standards, that means that you're not down in the dumps. You know what I mean? Your mood is a direct reflection of your situation a lot of times. So if your situation's better, then your mood's better. What the hell am I talking about? If you're happy and you know it, then your income will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, click the link below and get Affiliate Psycho. Get it now. The traffic grows itself. The business grows itself. You just need to go through the cycle a few times, get that momentum, and the next thing you know, boom ski, money every single day. Eventually, 1836, 1891, 464, whatever your goal is, you can make it happen. And the last thing I'll say before I tell you once again that you need to click that damn button is, I'll tell you this. I lost my train of thought. Click the button. We'll talk about it inside. Bye.